Okay, we're looking at the NRG quick release package number 1 on SwapShopRacing.com. This package is a basic one. It just includes the short hub and the quick release itself. It's already assuming that you have a steering wheel already, because this package doesn't include it, but it will bolt up to any standard 6-bolt 70mm style steering wheel. Here we have the hub itself, which is the part that actually will bolt to your steering column, and the quick release that goes between the hub and your steering wheel. And this piece will stay attached. This part pops off with your steering wheel, and that will remain on your hub.
For more information on this and other NRG quick release packages, please visit us at SwapShopRacing.com.